whiskey, you're the devil, you're leading me. Let grief be a fallen leaf at the dock. Lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Oh, Bridget O'Malley, you have my heart shaken with a hopeless desolation. But there's more friendship poured out in one bottle of stout than in all of your statutes and sermons. Gorev Shiv Sana Sosterne, Tomas Agashano Kanaila. See the Atlantic seethe and swell, hear the lonely chapel bell. God save their souls and mind them well. Beefsteaks and mistakes were down upon a bill of fare, roast ribs and spare ribs and ribs that we couldn't spare. Well, there was reindeer and snow deer and deer me and antelope, and the women ate so much melon the men said they can't elope. Red herons, smoked herons, herons crumbled, herons high, bangerloaf, fruit cake, sausages a half a mile, hot corn, cold corn, corn cooks and honeycomb, red birds, red bilks, sea bass and sea foam, fried liver, baked liver, cottage with liver pills, and everyone was wondering who was going to pay the bill. So let the circle be wide round the fireside, and we'll soon make room for you. Let your heart have no fear, for there's no strangers here. So stick to the crater, the best thing in nature, forsaking your sorrows and raising your joy. This was before the Earthian Throne. It was before the Leprechaun era, and it was long, long before the Argy-Fargy. This, my friends, was in the deep pond doom, before the Emerald Isle was ever dropped into the sea. Oh, fair fathers fossa, Guantanale. Remember that walk, and remember Duloc. Let our banners be unfurled against selfish gain and indifference to pain, and for justice throughout our world. Thank you.